Select Trucks of Amarillo, exit 74 off Interstate 40. I'm Doug Phillips, 806-654-7640. That's my cell phone. Call me anytime, night or day. And this is stock number SUK1118. It's a 2023 that we sold new here. It's got 475,000 miles on it, but it still has EW4 warranty on it till September the 15th of next year, or 600,000 miles on it. Truck's got a pretty good set of rubber on the back, dual 120-gallon fuel tanks, 2 baggage doors, 2 air ride seats, double bunk, refrigerator. We sold it new. We've taken care of it. It is PTO friendly, Bluetooth hands-free, 475,000. Let's be sure here. 457,098. 457,098 miles. Heated and air conditioned seats. Stock number UK1118. KU1118. Doug Phillips, 806-654-7640. Call me anytime, night or day. I'll answer that phone. EW4 warranty till September of next year. You don't find that very often.